that's what I've become. I let myself in, though I know I'm not supposed to, but I never know when I'm done. And I see you fogging up the mirror, paper around your body glistens in the shower, and I wanna stay right here and go down on you for an hour, or stay and let the day just fade away in a wild dedication. Take the moment of hope and let it run. Never look back at all the damage we have done now to each other, to each other, to each other. But when I see you, you know all the things I've done. When I'm blinded, like I'm staring down the sun. When I see you, when I see you, when I see you, it's like I'm staring down the sun. Yeah. Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Darling, it's been a long, lonely winter. Darling, it feels like years since it's been here.
Ooh.
Hello there, the angel from my nightmare, the shadow in the background of the moor, the unsuspecting victim of darkness in the valley. We can live like Jack and Sally if we want, where you can always find me. And we'll have Halloween on Christmas, and in the night we'll wish this never ends. We'll wish this never ends.
Where are you? And I'm so sorry. I cannot sleep, I cannot dream tonight. I need somebody, and always this sick, strange darkness comes creeping on, so haunting every time. And as I stared, I counted webs from all the spiders, catching things and eating their insides, like indecision to call you and hear your voice of treason. Will you come home and stop this pain tonight? Stop this pain tonight.
I want to live where soul meets body, and let the sun wrap its arms around me, and bathe my skin in water cool and cleansing, and feel
probably I'd be the same shape as you. Spill coffee in the mornings, you still adore me, and that's what I